Hey YouTube, how's it going? Okay, this is take 4. I'm trying to do this in my car during my lunch break. It's going to be a busy week because guess what? Popular Mom is going to Popular Place in Florida. Yay! And so, cannot wait for my beach trip. Beach is my happy place for sure. And of course, car just cut off, so I'm hoping that my sound is going to be coming through my phone and that I won't have to redo the entire video. So I want to get on here and talk about a few things. I do have some job info for you guys that might be looking for work at home jobs, since that is where you guys find out. A lot of you find me. So first off, Teletech is hiring. Teletech is one that I was talking about that would hire for the Geek Squad, and they may hire for some other projects as well. So that is teletech.com. And I think you may need to Google them, because I think that if you scroll down to the bottom, though, with Teletech, they may have the job link right there. I haven't pulled them up in quite a while. I know, like, after you submit an application, the company name that comes back is a little bit different. Hopefully my hand's not over here in the way of the video half the time. But I couldn't put you on the dash because then we had the steering wheel blocking. My little phone holder in the car is not the best of them at all. It is a cheap one I got off Amazon. Cute, looks like it's going to work really good, but it doesn't. So that's a whole nother thing about Amazon products that I'll get into actually a little bit at the end of this one. But not to digress too much from the work at home companies, because I know that's one reason why you guys tune in to me. And I definitely appreciate y'all being here, so thank you. And if you're new to my channel, I'm the Unpopular Mom. I do a lot of videos about the work at home jobs, and of course I do have my blog, and then some other projects going on online as well that I'll talk about soon. There's a new project that I have out there too. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm not sure if any of you have, but I haven't actually put it out there yet. I've been linking a few things here and there to it, but see if you can find it there. So anyway, back to the job. So we do have Teletech, we do have Sutherland is hiring as well. And if anything else hits my car, I'm going inside. Supposed to be storming, and it looks like it's kind of yucky back over there on the far left, though. Try not to look away from you guys too much. All right, so we also do have Humana was hiring for some work at home jobs. I'll try to find that link too. And then, of course, we always have twice in a row, Live Ops, one of my favorites there since I worked at. Made a good deal of money as well. The only thing about Live Ops is that they do charge for the background fee, which I don't think businesses should charge. I think they should see it as cost of business and not pass that along to us. But you do make it back. Usually your first day, if you actually wind up putting in money a good bit. You don't get paid daily, of course. It's like a few weeks out, and they pay twice a month. I forget which days. I want to say the 1st and the 16th, if that is correct. Sorry, I've got to get this hair out of my face, y'all. That just always irks me. As you can tell, I definitely had my hair done. We were talking a lot, of course, imagine that. And so she got a good bit shorter than I wanted it to be. And the color I'm not quite used to, but I don't think it looks horrible. So anyway, my mom thought it looked very red yesterday. I'm like, no, it doesn't. But anyway, so my new do for the beach. Anyway, we also have Arise along with Live Ops. Those you can do both, of course not at the same exact time, but if you want to say get 20 hours a weekend with Arise, 20 hours a weekend with Live Ops, you can do that too. Sorry, the wind's starting to pick up out here, so that is getting to my anxiety just a little bit. One of the few things that does cause me anxiety is why I parked weird in our parking lot, not that you can tell. But I didn't want to be too close to that tree up there. I figure if the tree's going to fall, though, it's going to fall. So I was during the tornadoes the other night. Yes, we had tornadoes in Georgia, some touching down very close to my house. Some very, very close to my house. So that was scary for a little while until I was just over it. My husband's going, I don't know if we should be in the hallway, in the closet, if we should be at the bottom of the stairs. And so I had like little places set up with pillows and blankets, and and it is what it is. So everything was just fine with that, though. Just a lot of wind and rain that came through. And so after we have Live Ops and Arise, sorry, I'm like scatterbrained today. Sorry, guys. Then we also have Sutherland, and let's see here. Then Wayfair, I think, is still hiring for work at home. There's a few, let's see here, other ones that I was trying to think of right offhand. I usually have my list, and that's why when I'm going through the work at home jobs, I'm usually not so all over the place. Apple.com, they do hire for work at home. They hire for both sales. They do hire for customer service. They also hire for the chat help as well, like the iTunes chat help. But you do have to go to apple.com, go to the bottom, look for jobs, do a search for iTunes. It's going to tell you to look for the closest biggest city near you. You do not have to travel to that city, of course, especially not with COVID going on. You don't have to. You didn't have to before COVID either. I'm going to be wrapping this up soon, y'all, because this wind is picking up out here, and I don't like that at all. I'd rather be inside, so I'll be going inside soon. And then AmericanExpress.com, they do also hire work at home. And so I will also try to throw in another one of these videos soon. We'll be going to the beach at the end of the week, towards the end of the week. So yay! And then there are some part-time gigs that I want to start talking about soon in my upcoming videos. One of them is blogging. I know people say you can't make money blogging. Others say you can make a lot. You can actually make a lot. Have I made a lot? Not yet. But I only started in, let's see, I started my YouTube channel in March of this year. And almost up to that 700. Thank you guys for all being here. Once we get up to 800, I'm going to find a little app to do a spin the wheel thing and do some giveaways. So that is coming up. And then if I get 2 more people to share YouTube channel, sorry, I had to fix my things there and y'all fell there. Sorry about that. If I get 2 more people to share my channel on Instagram and let me know that it's been shared, or any of the socials that you have, let me know. I will go ahead and throw out a, sorry, I just went completely dumb. I was thinking Follow Me Friday, but that's not my Follow Me Friday, which I kind of stopped doing for a little while. The shout outs, if I get 2 more people, 2 more of you guys, to share the video and let me know that you shared it, I will do the shout outs to 5 of you. I already have 3 on my list, not my 3 normal, and I will go ahead and do that. Maybe not this Saturday. I might try to get it up on Saturday, but we're going to be, like I said, at the beach. So probably be the next Saturday. So anyway, you guys like and share. And in the future, I think the next video will go into how much money I made with my blog so far. So maybe we'll add to that amount by then as well. So stay tuned to that one coming up. And then I'll do another work at home video that's not so rambly. And since it was rambly, I will try to leave the links down below. Oh, and also you guys, 13th and 14th, Amazon Prime Day. I will leave my blog link down below because I am doing a gift guide on blogging, on my blog, not on blogging, a gift guide on my blog. And I will leave that post down below. So anyway, there you have my very rambly video today. Sorry that was so rambly, but I will try to leave a lot of helpful information down below. I know you guys like to see me in different environments, so this is definitely one, and I'm sure I will record some while we're at the beach perhaps, so you get to see me in an entirely different environment. So there you go. You guys take care, be careful, have a great week. And today is Monday. I will try to get this video up at some point in time during this week, probably tonight when I get home. And so I have a lot of blogging to do between now and tomorrow, getting that gift guide up, and then I've got the other project that I'm working on that I will be posting that soon as well. So can't wait to tune you guys in. Well, tune you guys in. Hello. Can't wait to let you guys know what I've been up to there. See you guys. Take care. Bye.